Just doing a quick video of the new Hammer Quatermass box set. So I'm really looking forward to this one. Had a little bit of a worry that the parcel had gone missing because the shop app that Hammer like you to use said it had been delivered and it hadn't, but it was all mixed up. Hammer were very good in communications, can't fault them at all. So it has turned up. It's a nice heavy box set. So I'm just going to open it and it's all still sealed. Let's find a little knife. Scalpel somewhere. Sorry, I'm on a different desk today because Maggie's decided to sit on my other one. So comes in the Quatermass box, and then every put a label on it, so I'll probably try and get that off. That's very good. Let me zoom in a bit. Wrong way around. There we go. So we got a nice Quatermass Experiment. Victor, where's Green? Where's Rockenheim? What happened? Okay, and I'm hoping that my patch is in here. It is. Tiny patch, not I was expecting something slightly larger, but I like that. Quatermass Experiment patch. It's quite stiff. Looks like it's sticky backed, fully embroidered. It's actually really nice. Quite small, but nice flight patch. There's I've also managed to get the free patch with the Quatermass 2 box set that's been done, so very excited about that. So very nice box, very much like the Captain Kronos one. So it's embossed leather look with a paper backing. Quatermass Experiment on the side. So let's open him up. So you get the card insert, same quote on the bottom. Very nice, embossed. These Hammer ones, these are the definitive sort of versions, I reckon, now. So you get some wonderful artwork. The American Creeping Unknown poster. What were they thinking of? It's like Godzilla. It is Godzilla. Hidden Godzilla film. So let's see what we get. So we've got the Quatermass Papers Volume 1. So this is a thick book. So this is the making of book. It's absolutely lavish. Brian Dunleavy, my Quatermass. This is amazing. If you bought a book like this separately, it would be like 30 quid, I reckon. Very, very in-depth by the look of it. Different articles, looks like interviews, some very rare photos. I wonder if they've got, yeah, they've got the script at the back like the Kronos one. Amazing. The TV show review. What exists of it, which I think are on the discs, which is a nice touch. And then the various different posters. That is lovely. Very nice feel to it as well, popping up there. Then we've got the House of Hammer, Halls of Horror comic strip adaptation, which I've got the original issues of these. It's a beautiful artwork, and this is basically adapting it into paperback version. Do you remember like the Marvel Digest ones used to get? So done a really nice job actually, because obviously it was A4 size. That is excellent. I'm sort of glad they kept it black and white as well. That is superb. I love that they're doing them with them. I hope they do Quatermass 2 with it as well. And you get a set of reproduction front of house stills. There we go. So what have we got? Got Victor Queen in the hospital, where Quatermass can't say metabolic rate, which may be an American thing or just a Brian Donlevy thing. And these are reproductions, I think, of the original run when it was Experiment. Great cast in this film as well. One of my favourite hammers. I have a Donlevy coat and hat that I wear to work. So they're very nice. Good quality. Good quality card as well. Oh, we get posters as well. So let's have a look. Again, the posters were on very good quality. So it's the US Godzilla poster, and then the Italian La Astronave Atomica del Dot Quatermass. Right. Apologise for butchering that. That's very good. And we've got the meat of the set, which is the discs. It's just lovely packaging. So what have we got? So we've got on this one the 66 to 1 play as a premiere with the Eric Winstein Band Show. There's commentary with Toby Haydock, various commentaries on there, different documentaries, The Legend of Nigel Neal, Super 8 cut down version, I've got that one. The German title was, it was called Shock. So let's have a look at the discs. So we get Brian, Victor, Lomax. So it's the gimbal on this thing, it doesn't like moving too much. Discs are, 3 of them have been loose in the packaging, but that sort of seems to be standard with this hard packaging. Hold on, let's see if I can. There we go. There we go. That's the other disc. It says the gimbal endpoints have been reached. So I'm presuming, yeah, it makes a panoramic view. Let's just have a look. I don't want the discs to fall out. So yeah, so it makes a panoramic view. Goes right round. So let's just pop this back and we'll sum it up. So are these worth getting at £60 each? Yes, 100%. If you like the Quatermass films, or if you like Hammer films in general, these are definitive. It's 4K as well, so the 4K Captain Kronos was just amazing to watch, and I'm hoping this one will be just the same. I should probably watch it tonight. You can probably tell I'm a little bit excited about it. I'm so glad to get it. Yeah, can't wait for Quatermass 2. I hope they do Quatermass in the pit. It'd be nice to get a full set. And I know this one, like I say, this one has the 2 episodes of the BBC version that were recorded. And Quatermass 2 I think comes with all 6, and hopefully Quatermass in the pit. So it collects together all the film and TV versions, which is great. I love these comics as well that they're doing this, even though I've got the originals. So yeah, just a quick look for you. I'd say go and buy it. It's brilliant. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.